Magagawa, Gary Schiff.
Magaegua, Betsy Hodges.
Magaagawa, Don Samuels.
Magaagawa, Mark Andrew.
Magaagawa, Jackie Cherry Holmes.
If you want to see celebration,
come out and celebrate
Somali Independence Day right here on Lake Street.
On June 30th.
On June 30th.
June 30th.
On June 30th.
June 30th, come on down.
It's going to be a fabulous event.
So come on out and have fun with the Somali community. It's going to be a great time.
Happy Somali Independence Day.